Here I have TCL Tab 10S, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then when you in a normal front camera mode, just hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So let me show you. So right now I took 20 shots, and here we can review them. Just like this. Nice, yeah? Whoa. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.